Discover the surprising secret behind a rubber band's incredible strength. A rubber band can stretch to up to 2.5 times its original length before snapping. This may seem like a trivial observation, but it's a testament to the incredible resilience of this simple material. Rubber bands have been used for centuries, from holding together packages to securing clothing. However, have you ever wondered what makes rubber bands so effective at withstanding tension? The answer lies in their unique molecular structure, which allows them to stretch and absorb shock. Imagine a bundle of rubber molecules, each one connected to its neighbors, creating a network of flexible fibers. When you stretch a rubber band, these molecules begin to slide past one another, allowing the band to extend. But that's not the strangest part. The molecular bonds within the rubber also change during stretching. The rubber molecules begin to vibrate and oscillate, creating a complex dance of molecular motion. Steady force, high force impact. It's like trying to hold a slippery fish. The rubber molecules resist being stretched, but eventually give way. But what happens when the rubber band is subjected to a constant, steady force? The molecular bonds begin to break down, and the rubber starts to degrade over time. This process is accelerated by heat, sunlight, and other environmental factors. Scientists have discovered that certain types of rubber are more resistant to degradation than others. For example, silicone rubber is more durable and resistant to high temperatures than natural rubber. However, silicone rubber is also more prone to cracking and losing its elasticity over time. But that's not the only challenge facing rubber bands. They also have a tendency to lose their shape. When you store rubber bands for a long period, they can become misshapen and lose their ability to snap back into place. This is because the molecular bonds within the rubber begin to relax and lose their tension. It's like letting go of a stretched rubber band. It slowly returns to its original shape. However, repeated stretching and relaxing can cause the rubber to lose its elasticity and become brittle. Eventually, the rubber band may break or become unusable, a victim of its own resilience. But don't worry, there are ways to extend the lifespan of your rubber bands. By storing them in a cool, dry place and avoiding exposure to heat or sunlight, you can keep them fresh for longer. And if you need to reuse a rubber band, try to avoid stretching it too far, as this can cause it to degrade more quickly. Instead, try to use a combination of gentle stretching and careful handling to preserve the rubber's elasticity. By following these tips, you can keep your rubber bands in top condition and make them last longer. So next time you use a rubber band, remember its incredible strength and resilience. And who knows, maybe one day you'll invent a new type of rubber that's even stronger and more durable. The possibilities are endless, and the secret to the rubber band's incredible strength is just the beginning. Subscribe for more incredible stories and discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about rubber bands. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.